We have the perfect meal for anybody on the go looking to save a few bucks. Are you an idiot who works and spends money on takeout every day, only to later feel regret because you had to assault a homeless man for his last can of soup? No? Just me? Then the sandwich is a perfect meal for you. Sandwiches are the Leonardo DiCaprios of combo meals. Mac and cheese ain't got shit on this. You could have every ingredient on its own and it will still taste great. Meat. Yeast hat. Cheese. Do I need to say more? Tomato. Well, I guess kinda. Nobody really would eat that by itself.
Should get it off me.
An onion? Okay, I can't really vouch for that. An onion's taste by itself is pretty hard. It's 'cause you all pussy. I'm not dealing with you today. You know what? Fuck it. Problem solved. Okay, come on. Who's really gonna eat mayo by itself?
You are, bitch.
What? I don't really... What the fuck? I fucking hate mayonnaise portals! Now, to make your lunch break better than the classic sandwich, it's quite simple. You must toast your bread, but not in a toaster.
Get the fuck out of here.
We're using a motherfucking pan. Say hello to the second thing my wife keeps under the bed next to my broken dreams. It's butter.
I've seen more than butter should see.
Me too, pal. But now that I think about it, she's kind of shaped like a turkey. I honestly wish she looked more like a turkey. She'd be more fuckable, like this sandwich. So you toast your bread, but after you toast the first side and flip it over, start laying your ingredients onto the toasted side and throw on the top. Let it cook and don't burn your house down, and voila! You have a perfect weapon to start assaulting homeless people with. Enjoy.